Carissa, time is yours.
Asian is not ready to have a common currency, even though they give us 10 years to prepare ourselves, and it will only worsen the condition of these 9 countries, ladies and gentlemen. Under that line, I would like to deliver to you 3 major points of rebuttals regarding what have been stated by the government side of the House. Firstly, they are stating on how European countries first are mostly developing, but with this common currency, which is euro, they are developed that easy. Ladies and gentlemen, actually it is a wrong statement, ladies and gentlemen. Euro was applied on 1999 when most of the European countries are already developed, when they are already having the same level of economy, and that is why the common currency itself can work in Europe, ladies and gentlemen, but not here in Asia. Yes, we know most of our countries here are developing, but because it is still developing, our economy are mostly still very fluctuative, ladies and gentlemen. They are not having the same level, they are not having the same economic development, therefore we say here, their model here cannot be applied. Second of all, they stated that they're gonna give Asian 10 years to actually adapt with this common currency. But firstly, we say, even when they give 10 years, it is not enough, ladies and gentlemen. When we talk about economy, it is not like building a bird nest, ladies and gentlemen. You cannot actually create the same level of economy on 10 years, ladies and gentlemen. And here we see, to create, no thank you sir, to create here the same level of economy and also same development on Asia on 2 years is impossible, ladies and gentlemen. And then third of all, they're stating on how country can develop even more with the common currency. But ladies and gentlemen, we say no. If they change here the currency of Asian countries into something that is common, we say it is too complicated. And how would you expect these countries, these developing countries, to develop themselves when they are still busy adapting with this common currency, ladies and gentlemen? It will only worsen the condition that is happening now in Asia. That is why here we still believe that we must stick to the status quo. We should not apply the common currency in Asia, ladies and gentlemen. As the first speaker, I would like to deliver to you 2 major points of argument. Firstly, on how Asian is not ready and it is not justifiable to apply the common currency. And second of all, how the common currency will only worsen the condition. And my second speaker, I would like to deliver to you about how the common currency itself affects society. Now, moving on to my argument. We see, ladies and gentlemen, to create a common currency, it is not as simple as flipping your hand. Applying a common currency have the most crucial and important criteria which required countries which wanted to have the common currency to have the same level of economic condition and also the same level of the economic development, ladies and gentlemen. Because here, currency itself reflects the economy of the country. That is why, for example, when rupiah last year is almost hit the 10,000 rupiah, it happens here because it is actually the Indonesia itself was facing the crisis, ladies and gentlemen. We see here on how it actually reflects the economic development of every country, and that is why here we see that Asian cannot fulfill that criteria, ladies and gentlemen. Indonesia, Singapore, Malaysia, Burma, Thailand, Laos, Brunei, and Cambodia are mostly here developing countries. Our economy, as I've stated before, are very fluctuated, ladies and gentlemen. Even when we are all here developing, our economy level and development are different. That is why we see baht, ringgit, rupiah, and also the Singaporean dollar all have the different currency, ladies and gentlemen. Those differences reflect on how we have the different economy level, how we have the different economic condition, ladies and gentlemen. No, thank you, sir. It is almost impossible to stabilize economy of all those countries. Moreover, when it only for 10 years, ladies and gentlemen, they have different economic potential inside of their country, and we cannot push them to actually be in the same level on 10 years itself. We cannot generalize Asian with European Union, ladies and gentlemen. Most countries there are developed already when they are trying to apply this common currency, which is euro. And even though their economic conditions are not that detailedly similar, at least they are on the same level because they are already developed here, ladies and gentlemen. So here we see common currency is almost impossible to be applied on Asian countries, ladies and gentlemen. And then we see here, firstly we have stated that Asian should not have common currency because it will be hard to apply and Asian is not ready. My second analysis is on how Asian should not have common currency because it is not justifiable. I've explained to you on how economic conditions on Asian countries are all different. Their current currencies of every country is a form of prestigious of each country, ladies and gentlemen. It reflects how the government are already maybe doing well on managing their economy. That is why there are some currencies that are high, some of them are low. Once we want to apply a common currency, the currency itself of every country must be the same. Either high currency here must be pushed down, or no thank you sir, or the low currency must be dragged up to actually stabilize the economy itself, ladies and gentlemen. But here we see on Asian, the most possible thing is that the high currency, such as the Singaporean dollar, must be dragged down to adapt with other developing country conditions to make the currency itself works on every single country, ladies and gentlemen. We say it is fairly unfair for such country like Singapore, who already struggled for years for their own economic development, to be dragged down to adapt with us, and they lose their prestigious itself, ladies and gentlemen. We don't want to force the condition when differences of the country is to contrast. We are here unlike Europe once again, ladies and gentlemen, because they have the similar kind of level. That's why we believe that this motion fails. Second of all, we see why countries want to have common currency. Because firstly, they want to make trade easier, because they want to help each other when one is going down. Because, you know, it can stabilize by economic condition of our country once one is falling down if they have the same currency. This works on European Union on early 2000s, ladies and gentlemen. But it is because they have the giants, such as Germany, who can help the other country when they are going down. But what do you expect from Asian itself, ladies and gentlemen? There are no big enough giant to support our crisis. We see here a country with good enough economy is actually Singapore, as it is industrialized. We see Thailand is now having a crisis because of the flood catastrophe. We see that Indonesia itself is still struggling very hard to actually survive in the global crisis. How we are very busy to, fix our problems itself. We say we should not let Asian to have common currency because it will only worsen the condition. No big giant to support us, and once crisis happens, it is not impossible that what is happening on Europe, the sovereign debt crisis right now, can happen to Asia too. Because common currency, it will lead to domino economy effects, ladies and gentlemen. Once a country falls, another will follow because they have the same currency. If that happens to Asian, we will face a horrible catastrophe, ladies and gentlemen. No one supports the country that is falling down. It will only lead to bigger crisis, ladies and gentlemen. Our house have proven to you how Asian should not have common currency because firstly, Asian is not ready even though they're going to provide 10 years for us to prepare. Second of all, it is not justifiable at all to actually drag down the country or push them to the upper side. And then thirdly, it will only worsen the condition with the domino economy effect. Therefore, here we believe that this motion fails, and I am very proud to oppose.